Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can hide your folder and files. If you have a folder and files that is just a secret file or folder, and if you want to hide that folder or if you want to keep secure that folder, so I will show you today how you can hide your files or folder. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe my channel and like, and if this video will be helpful for you, please share with your friends. Let us start now. Let me show you how you can hide your folder or files. So here I am going to create one folder in my system D drive, new folder, testing for hide, and just for the testing I am going to create one notepad file inside this folder. And let me show you now how you can hide this. So go to the properties, right click, go to the properties. Here you can see hidden option, so just you need to select this hidden, apply. You can see here it is asking for like apply changes to this folder and subfolder or files. That means if you will select this option, then there will be a file that is test in this folder, testing for hide folder, that will be hide also. If you will select this apply changes to this folder only, then this folder will be hide. So if you want to hide folder and files both, then you need to select this option, apply changes to this folder and subfolder files. So if any folder and files will be inside this folder, all file and folder will be hidden. So just click OK, and then OK. You can see here, once I click on the apply OK button, this folder is hidden. It's hidden from here, it's not visible here. So if you have to like again, if you want to see, if you want to open that folder, what you need to do, just you need to open the my computer or this PC and click on the file tab. Here you can see here change folder and search option, go to the view, and here you can see the option is show hidden files and folders and drives. Apply OK. Let us see. Yes, here you can see now it's visible, testing for hide folder which I was created here. So guys, in this way you can create folder, or you can hide your files and folder. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I request you to please subscribe my channel, like, share with your friends, and if you have any query, please leave your comment. Thank you.